Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by removing power. Unplug the extension board, and if feasible, turn off the breaker to the circuit to eliminate voltage. Once done, visually inspect the cord, plug, and strip for melted insulation, exposed conductors, or loose terminals so you know what to replace. Make sure to have insulated tools, a multimeter for continuity and polarity, replacement wire of the same gauge, and wire nuts or terminal blocks ready. This prevents wasted time when you open the housing and begin repairs. You now open the extension board housing and document conductor colors and terminal positions, either by photo or quick sketch, so reassembly is exact. Once done, test each conductor with the multimeter for continuity and check for shorts between live, neutral, and ground to ensure faults are localized. If a conductor or terminal is damaged, cut back to clean insulation, strip to spec, and crimp or screw with the same gauge and rated connector, so the connection is mechanically and electrically sound. You reassemble the housing, making sure each wire is seated correctly, terminals are tightened to the manufacturer torque or snug feel, and the strain relief clamps the cable to prevent pull-out. Once done, plug in and apply power briefly while monitoring voltage and polarity with the meter and feel for abnormal warmth, then test under normal load. If you still see intermittent connections, arcing, or persistent heat, stop using the unit and replace the entire board or consult a licensed electrician for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.